Okay, let's go sales by store. Are we still fine? I'm left with 5 minutes. Are we still good? I can see you. We are so engaged. I'm so happy. Perfect. We are so engaged. This makes me happy. Now, sales by store. This is my favorite type of dashboard that I built because as a business owner, I like to see where do I hit the most, right? You can even use this platform for project management. You can use this platform for even production. There's so many demos that I can show you, but we are sharing them in the chat box right now. Please make sure you click the link. You'll have access to the very same dashboard that I'm currently sharing. Sales by store, similar story. How many stores do we have? How many new stores did we open? We opened 10 new stores according to this visual. Okay, so what was the total sales for the year? 22 million. Okay, 22 million. When did we make this 22 million? Which store performed better than which one? When do we need, ladies and gentlemen, to start pumping money in marketing? Which ones do we need to start actually having more promotions in? Because remember, the reason why we're having promotions on sales is because we want certain products to move, otherwise they will spoil. Or it's not for fun, by the way, right? So we don't just have promotions for fun. We don't have discounts for fun. All of these exists because of you want something to move off the shelf so that you do not have to bear the loss of that particular cost. So you would rather chuck down on your profit margin, if at all you are checking down on your profit margin, as opposed to losing the product completely. Unless if you are Woolies, they don't mind. That's why their products are so expensive. They actually do not mind, right? So now you start analyzing. Okay, now where we have two things. We have Fashion Direct and we have Lindsay. So Fashion Direct has been performing in this way. This is a lot of information, but we'll give it to you. We have Charlie's District. We have, these are the number of stores. We have Hamsburg Fashion Direct. We have Bel Air Fashion Direct. We have Boardman Fashion Direct. We have Morganstown Fashion Direct. Now you start looking at how much money have they been making for a certain period of time. So now in most cases, when you analyze data, you analyze the location, the revenue, and also the time frame. So that helps you to make a decision according to time and also to pick up trends for variances, trends for errors, trends for, let's say, peak hours, peak times, and peak days. So you will be able for you to analyze those particular trends. I think I've said a lot. We are going to share all these demos with you for you to go through them